Sonosuite for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're an independent musician, label, or music entrepreneur looking to distribute your music globally while retaining control over your royalties, Sonosuite might be the solution for you. Designed primarily for professionals seeking a streamlined music distribution platform, Sonosuite enables users to upload tracks, manage metadata, and distribute music to major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and more. One standout feature is its white label capability, making it ideal for labels and entrepreneurs who want to create their own branded distribution service. It also boasts a robust analytics dashboard, providing detailed insights on streams, downloads, and revenue, helping you track your growth and earnings across platforms. Sonosuite is especially tailored for those who prioritize control and transparency. Unlike traditional distribution services that take a cut of your earnings, Sonosuite offers a pay-per-service model, meaning you keep 100% of your royalties after paying the upfront costs. This makes it a better fit for artists and labels who are confident in their audience reach and want to maximize profits without ongoing percentage deductions. The platform also includes tools for rights management, making it easier to handle licensing and ensure your intellectual property is protected. However, Sonosuite isn't without its downsides. The interface, while feature-rich, can be overwhelming for newcomers, and the learning curve might be steep if you're not familiar with metadata requirements or digital rights management. Additionally, the cost structure, while beneficial for established users, might not be as appealing for artists with smaller budgets or fewer releases, as the upfront fees can add up quickly. It's worth noting that unlike some competitors, Sonosuite doesn't offer additional promotional tools, such as playlist pitching or in-app marketing support, which could leave you handling marketing entirely on your own. In summary, Sonosuite is an excellent choice for musicians, labels, and entrepreneurs who prioritize full control over their music catalog and royalties. It's particularly well-suited for those with an established audience or those seeking to build a scalable, white-label distribution business. However, if you're a beginner artist or lack experience with digital distribution, you might find the platform's complexity and costs less appealing. Before committing, consider your budget, goals, and willingness to handle marketing and administrative tasks independently. Ultimately, Sonosuite is a powerful tool for the right user, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution.